Welcome to Finance with EJ, where your financial dreams come to life. Get ready to supercharge your savings, crush debt, and make money moves that will leave you feeling unstoppable. Subscribe now and join the journey to financial freedom and generational growth building.
Have you ever thought about how your retirement would look like? Relaxing on a sunny beach or maybe exploring the world? The key to that dream lies in your hands right now. It's called retirement planning. Starting early can make a world of difference, thanks to the magic of compounded interest. Among the many tools available for retirement planning, one stands out for its popularity: the 401k. But what is a 401k? Let's dive in. A 401k, in simple terms, is a retirement savings plan sponsored by your employer. Now that's a neat and tidy definition. But let's unravel the layers of this financial tool to truly understand its potential. Picture this. Every paycheck you receive, a portion of your earnings is set aside, untaxed, and placed into a 401k account. Yes, you heard that right, untaxed. This is a pre-tax contribution that lowers your overall taxable income. Imagine it as a financial shelter, protecting your hard-earned money from immediate taxes. But remember, taxes are not entirely avoided, they are just deferred. You will pay them eventually when you withdraw the money in retirement. Now you might be thinking, all right, I'm saving money, that's great, but what's next? Well, this is where the magic happens. The money in your 401k doesn't just sit there, it grows over time. This growth is fueled by investments in things like stocks, bonds, and mutual funds. You can often choose how your money is invested based on your risk tolerance and retirement goals. And the best part? The gains from these investments are also tax-deferred until you withdraw them. But wait, there's more. Some employers offer a match on your 401k contributions. Think of it as a bonus. If you contribute a certain amount to your 401k, your employer will match that amount up to a certain percentage. It's essentially free money that helps your retirement savings grow even faster. So, in a nutshell, a 401k is a powerful tool that allows you to save for retirement in a tax-efficient way, potentially with the added bonus of employer contributions. It's like a financial trampoline, bouncing your savings higher and higher over time. However, like any financial tool, it's important to use it wisely. There are rules about when and how you can withdraw this money without penalties, and the choices you make about your investments can significantly impact the growth of your savings. So now that you know what a 401k is, how can you make the most out of it? Let's dive into that in the next scene. Stay tuned. One of the key benefits of a 401k is the potential for an employer match. So what does this match mean? Well, it's essentially free money. When you contribute to your 401k, your employer may also chip in, matching a certain percentage of your contribution. Here's a simplified example. If your employer offers a 50% match up to 6% of your salary, and you earn $50,000 a year, when you contribute 6% or $3,000, your employer will add another $1,500. It's like an automatic return on your investment. This match can significantly boost your retirement savings over time, and it's an advantage you don't want to miss out on. So aim to contribute at least enough to maximize this match. It's a smart and simple way to grow your nest egg. But how can you retire faster? Well, there are a few strategies you can follow. Retirement may seem far away, but with the right strategies, you can reach your goal faster. First up, let's talk about increasing your 401k contributions. This might seem like a no-brainer, but you'd be surprised how many people don't take full advantage of this opportunity. By contributing more to your 401k, you're not only saving more for retirement, but you're also reducing your taxable income now. It's a win-win. Next, consider diversifying your investments. Don't put all your eggs in one basket, as the saying goes. Diversification can help protect your nest egg from market volatility. This could mean investing in a mix of stocks, bonds, and other assets. Remember though, diversification is not a guarantee against loss, but it can help spread the risk. Cutting expenses is another strategy that can help speed up your retirement timeline. This might mean downsizing your home, eating out less, or even just cutting the cable cord. Remember, every dollar you save is a dollar you can invest towards your retirement. And don't forget about seeking additional income sources. This could mean taking on a part-time job, starting a side hustle, or even renting out a room in your home. The extra income can help you contribute more to your retirement fund and get you to your goal faster. But perhaps the most important strategy is to start early. The earlier you start saving for retirement, the more time your money has to grow. Thanks to the magic of compound interest, even small contributions can add up over time. And finally, stay consistent. It's easy to get discouraged if you don't see immediate results, but remember, retirement planning is a marathon, not a sprint. Keep contributing, keep investing, and keep saving. Your future self will thank you. And remember, the key to a successful retirement is starting early and staying consistent. To recap, planning for retirement is crucial for a comfortable future. We've unpacked the concept of a 401k, a powerful tool to accumulate wealth for your golden years. Remember, understanding and maximizing your employer's match is key. It's essentially free money, so don't leave it on the table. And finally, we've shared strategies to retire faster, including increasing your contributions and diversifying your investments. So, start planning today and make your retirement dream a reality.